BotaWeld.com.
Bota established itself as a potent supplier for global companies with design, manufacturing, and sales specializing in welding and cutting equipments. The Bota BDLM Gantry CNC, Oxy-Fuel, and plasma cutting machine is a highly versatile machine for Oxy-Fuel cutting and plasma. All processes are controlled from the Bota CNC system. This feature-packed controller uses a color-coded graphical user interface, making it easy where it provides faster cutting speeds with a low investment cost. Plasma cutting, although it is not a new technology, is one of the most efficient and productive methods for manufacturers who want to provide their customers with high-quality results. Plasma cutting utilizes highly energized gases in an ionized and electrically conductive state. Please email Bobby at BotaWeld.com, WhatsApp +86 138 17586-434, or write your questions below this video.